This one's called Two Truths and a Lie.
Yeah.
The idea is you give us 3 statements from your entire journey so far. It can be challenges, accomplishments, it can be personal, it can be business related. But 2 of them have to be true and 1 has to be false. We have to guess which is the false statement.
Interesting.
And you have to think hard because we know you well.
You know me really well.
Yeah.
This is going to be so hard.
Yeah, that's the point.
All right. I just start?
Yeah.
Cool. So I take 2 flights a month, right? That's my standard. I drink flat white, all the time. And that's my new choice of drink, actually. And lastly, I drive a Tesla Model Y.
The last one's a lie, right? He changed his car.
He changes car all the time.
I
So
think he changes his car.
I know that. I also know this month he's taking 4 flights, like the next month. Feb he's taking
Yeah.
4 flights. But his standard might be 2.
No, but I think his standard, he used to.
And his drink is a
Like-
hot mocha. He just said it. But
yeah,
with
but
new choice.
it used to be, I've heard him order a flat white before.
And I feel like he's also the kind of person that would do all 3 lies.
Yeah, man. No, all 3 truths. He's not thinking of so many lies.
No, I know it's Feb is
Yeah.
4 flights. It might be on average 2 a month.
Yeah, I thought it was more than that.
No, there are also
2
2-3
flights-
months stints where he doesn't travel. So on average, it might be like
Because
basically
now,
24
because
flights a
before
year.
he did more.
Yeah. You know what? I'm going to go with Model Y because I know you're currently driving a 3 Series and you're going back to a 3 Series, red to black.
M3, but like...
M3. Sorry. But yeah.
Yeah, but that's what I said as well.
Yeah.
I would say that's right. Like, I don't drive a Model Y.
Yeah.
Flat whites is becoming a new thing because like the chocolate is really not healthy apparently. And
Unless it's dark chocolate.
yeah, sure.
No, actually, like if it's like above 75% dark chocolate,
Yeah.
it's actually very good for your heart.
Sure.
Yeah.
No, I get it. And then the 2 flights a month thing is an average. Sometimes can be more or less, but like it's fairly true. Like
Was it
24
more
flights a
before?
year.
it's okay. That's not cool. Continue.
Why is he so antsy about it?
Nah, it's just this. Yeah.
High burn rate.
That's
Oh,
The old
yeah. This is good.
That's no. Argument started and the cow got it.
Yeah.
Will people from Crowdpad watch this?
I don't know.
Do we want to
maybe.
store some shit?
Maybe.
Okay.
Why not? I'm always down to start shit.
We know.
We know.